I'm Jason with Laser for Hire. I wanted to kind of go through our coaster process today. It's a nice sunny day, so I'm gonna put on some shades. And also, we don't want any flying porcelain because that hurts. So essentially, all of these are both hand cut and hand sanded. They come in a splash pattern, so you never, well, I'm gonna rephrase that. It takes about 3 entire boxes for you to come across the exact same pattern again. But it does happen. Each one's a little different, but it creates a unique coaster because one thing that I also do is I change the settings in between coasters as well. So start off with the cut process. Now we've got a couple cut. Do a quick measure. As you can see, it's pretty dead on. The unfortunate thing is once you're off 1 millimeter, you get off 2 pretty quick. Now, I want to introduce you to my coworker. His name's Rocky. We've been working together for a while. I don't want all of my money in sandpaper, so this is where Rocky comes in. He doesn't say much. He's a professional like that. I do want to warn you, this next part is going to be similar to nails on a chalkboard. But we do hand sand these because after the cut, they tend to be a little sharp, and there's always the chance that the cutting process left a little chip that really needs to be knocked away now before it gets sold or painted. So, here we go. Give you a little better view. We'll do the factory edges anyway, and then do a nice smooth ending at the finish. This takes away all of the sharp corners per tile. Now occasionally it'll leave slight little cuts on the corner there or small chips. It is just part of the process and not really much we can do to prevent that entirely. So, go through a couple of these, and then we go through our painting process. Got a couple of those. Now what we do is we lay them down actually on alcohol wipes. What this will allow for is us to actually paint them without impacting the tile face that much at all. And we do paint them prior to the laser process. Laser is actually the end of it. We'll do a quick painting. Now I always use hammered copper, and I do the edges first. To kind of ensure those get done, because they are the most difficult portion.